First, start with a tub or container that will hold chocolate. In Edit mode, select the edge loop and create a face. With the face selected, hit P and separate selection. Go to Object mode and select the surface that you just made. Lower it under the bottom of the tub so you can't see it, and create a keyframe. Now move the timeline, raise the surface level, and set another keyframe. Go to Particle Settings, and add a particle system. And look, bubbles. You're done. No, just kidding. It needs more work. Set the start and end frames to whenever they should show up in the animation. And change the number of particles to something more realistic. And shorten the lifetime so they're not falling outside of the container. Go to the physics section, set the physics type to void, and check multiply mass with size. Under movement, go ahead and turn off allow flight. And under the render section, scale randomness up, and change the scale size as needed. Set render as to object. And now you need an object. Spawn a sphere, name it bubble, or don't, I don't really care, and shade it smooth. Then hide that thing somewhere where no one will see it. Go back to the surface we were working on, and under the subsection for object, change the instance object to bubble, or whatever it is that you called it. And look, it's there now. But you're gonna want to change the size of those bubbles. So under the render section, change the scale to something that makes more sense and looks better. But there's a problem. Some of the bubbles might be clipping through the container. So to fix that, we're going to duplicate the surface that we just made. Make it a little bit smaller. And then on the bigger one, you're going to delete the particle system. Give it a shader that looks like melted chocolate. And that's how you get boiling chocolate that looks good enough.